Hey guys, this is Siddharth presenting my project on hostel management system. First of all, why it was developed? It was developed because there was a need of an application which manages the database of all the hostelites. Managing includes edit, store, delete, modify, etc. So here's the user interface. As you can see, it says enter the credentials or click at the bottom for creating a new user. As we are logging into the site first time, we'll click on add a new user. In the sign up form, we'll enter the credentials as suppose admin as username, some password, and the password confirmation. Click on sign up. Now we'll log in with the same credentials and click on login. As soon as I click on login, I'm redirected onto a welcome page which has a search box at the center saying enter name or USN to search. First of all, what is USN? USN means university seat number, which is unique to each student, having information of his or her branch, year of enrollment, and of course his roll number. Suppose I want the database of all the students of EC branch. I'll type EC in the search box and click on search. No student found because no database is loaded as such. Now I'll go to the edit database section and to student and browse an Excel file to import. Suppose I import the database of EC student, click on import. Now when I go back again to the home page and type EC over here, I get the database of all the EC students. As you can see, for each student there is a field for mess bill paid, hostel fee paid, and fine if any, and an edit button at the extreme. When I click on edit button, a form for that corresponding user is loaded with all the fields. Now suppose I edit the database and make the email as suppose siddharth6323@gmail.com, edit other fields and click on update. As soon as I click on update, the database is updated over here and a mail is sent to the user that his or her profile has been updated from the management system. Now I can also export the database, the queried database, as an Excel file for further reference. Now suppose the admin wants to edit the database of mess bill when a mess bill of new month comes. I'll go to the edit database section and update mess bill database. Suppose I choose August and bill is 2700 and click on update. August is loaded over here, and also when I go again back to the edit section of that user, I see August over here. Same case goes with hostel fee paid and fine for editing the database. Also, you can see in the USN it contains a 14, which means the year of enrollment. So if I want the students who are enrolled in 15, that is 2015, I'll enter 15 and click on search and get the students of enrolled in 2015.
So this solves the issue of managing the database of hostelites and also makes the receipt system online through the mail. So this was the whole project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.